Hello, my dear students. This is your English teacher Anish Moses from US Academy and Institute, Gorakhpur.
Let's start with this chapter, the fun they had from this Beehive book. And in this chapter, we'll be coming to know that this chapter starts, the scenario, the scene starts in year 2157. That's more than 100 years plus ahead. And this story is taking place in the future, where a small girl named Margie is sitting and she is writing in her online diary. She is just doing an online entry. She is just writing on the date of 17th May 2157 that his brother Tommy, who is a 13-year-old boy, he found a real book. And that is very unique thing in that time, because this story is taking place in future. So these modern children, these future children are not, they have never seen book, because it's a future time. In future, such various things will be happening. In case this chapter suggests that there are various modern changes in that time. For example, school in the future, they were having computers which were providing them education. The education was provided in computer system. They used to sit in their home itself. Computers and various type of devices were installed, and they were sitting in front of computer. Then they were getting their education. They were having virtual classroom. Virtual classroom means there was no need of any teacher. Neither the students used to go to school, or there was no any building in which they could go and they could get their education. But there were virtual classes. That means that they were sitting inside a room and virtually either in the screen or some monitor was being installed, and that the teacher, that was an online teacher, they used to come, they used to teach, and they used to go. It was totally mechanical means. Now, and also the next thing was, whatever subject they used to teach, it was totally in the form of e-text. Either the students also, they used to do their homework in a form of e-text. E-text means online, electronical text, and they used to insert in that system. Also, these teachers were mechanical teachers, that is, they were totally robotic. Robots were teaching, robots were providing them education, and then students used to get their knowledge, their education in their home itself. There were no any schools at that time. So this story takes place in this type of future, where these all things used to take place, and these all things were there in that time. No school building were there, no teacher, no manual teacher were there who could go in the school, or the students used to sit and fight like we are having in today's era, that teachers are coming in the class, students are studying. So there were not such type of scenario. It was totally changed, because it's the future. You must have seen various other serials or various other movies in that future scenes are shown. So it's totally regarding to that. You can just imagine how creative or what a beautiful scene it would be. Now, the story starts when Margie does an entry in his system that it was the year 17th May 2157, where she writes that Tommy, his brother, found a real book. And when she asked Tommy that from where have you found this book, then Tommy clearly tells that he has found this book from the attic at the home. And now when moreover she asks whose book it was and where have you got this book, because it's totally unique for them, because they have never seen books of such type. And then Tommy tells that this book was of grandfather's grandfather, and grandfather used to always tell him that in the past time, that means that in the era which we are living, it would have been the past, and in that past time there were books in which something was being inscribed, and children used to study from this book, and then they used to get knowledge. So it was totally very unique thing for this Margie, because Margie was thinking that what type of books it were, and because she had never seen such type of book, it was very much such different thing, very much different for her. Now, Margie is also saying that this book is totally it's totally funny type of thing. So books are totally funny, because in this book only less quantity is being written, less data is being written, and as soon as we read the book, this book would have been thrown and some different book will be taken. So that is what Tommy is also saying, and in that form Margie is saying that yes, it's totally waste, because in today's era, in 2157, no books are there. We are having mechanical teacher, we are having a screen, we are having a computer. In that, daily lessons and lesson chapters and chapters, subjects are going on in single monitor or in single computer. We can get all the subjects, all the chapters, all the information, and computer never gets over. Neither the pages of computer get filled. It's millions and millions of information. So that is what Margie is thinking. Margie and Tommy are thinking that these books are totally funny, it's totally waste thing. But moreover, when she is reading, when Tommy and Margie are sitting and reading the book, they are finding out this book was about a school which described that the schools in that time were totally different from now which they are having. So that what make Margie think that it's totally different thing which is today. And because it's different, the students of that time used to go to a building which was called as a school, and they used to collect over there, and a human being would come in the class and a human being would teach them. And that was totally very much unique for this Margie, because she never expected that such thing would have happened with his grandfather's grandfather in that past time. Because at this present moment, Margie is hating school very much. Margie also hates study, and in that she is telling that she was going on getting worst and worst marks in geography, because regular and continuous test was taken by this electronic teacher which was called as the mechanical teacher, and she used to daily get homeworks in geography, and she used to get worst marks. She used to get the worst marks, and in that case Margie's mother was also very upset, taking this marks into consideration, and due to that she called a county inspector. County inspector is no one, it's not like police, it's just a mechanical person, a mechanical mender who just comes, he comes to your home, he just mends the mechanical computer or mechanical teacher. And that is what the county inspector is, who just come to rectify the flaws, the technical problem in that system. So Margie's mother called a mechanical teacher so that this computer can be mended, this mechanical teacher can be mended. And when county inspector comes, he is a short-heighted person, very fat, like a tomato, and this county inspector comes and checks that mechanical teacher, and till that time he just hands over an apple to Margie so that she can have it, and in the meantime, within 1 hour of time, county inspector mends that mechanical teacher. And after mending that, this county inspector also tells Margie's mother that it was not the flaw of Margie, it was the flaw of that mechanical teacher, because it was just a bit geared up. It was moreover fast forwarded. It was geared up. That's why high level question it was giving to Margie, and that's why Margie was going on getting less to less marks. So now the county inspector have mended, and he also tells that he have slowed it up at an average of 10 years, and at this time Margie will be able to study properly. So Margie now gets this mechanical teacher. Now Margie gets a bit disappointed that why within 1 hour this county inspector have mend his system, why this mechanical teacher within 1 hour have been rectified. And she thinks that Tommy was very lucky enough that once his mechanical teacher was just moreover out of form, because his history teacher, the mechanical teacher in which history subjects used to come, at that time it went faster, and due to gearing up of that mechanical teacher, county inspector was again called, and that mechanical teacher was taken with that county inspector for even 1 month, and 1 month Tommy enjoyed. So now this Margie is now thinking that why it never happened with her. So it was a very bad thing for Maggie that she never got that much time, only 1 hour she got to spare with. So no problem. Just coming ahead in this story, we find that again this Tommy and Margie are sitting together and they are reading the book. Margie is moreover asking question about schools, about students, about various other things of that time, and she gets very much interested in knowing that it was such a good time, what fun they used to have when these children used to go in their school, which these children of that era 2151 57, which they are not having at that time. Why they are not having? Because at that time they are sitting in a single room and they are given their education as the computer starts and the online mechanical teacher, this teacher come in that screen, they used to teach and they used to go, and such type of continuation series are taking place. So this is what the thing. And as soon as they are just reading the book, they are just coming across to these all things of children's of pastime, schools, teachers of that time. The teacher used to come, they were totally human, and Margie was also very much interested to know that how a man can come to teach a class, how much the knowledge they would have been given. So these all things, as she was just going on, she was trying to read the book. At that time only Margie's mother calls her up, as the time was now to go to her class, as the this mechanical teacher was totally mend, and now she will be started with some new subjects. And as soon as Margie hears her mother voice, she leaves this Tommy and the book and she goes inside her room, which was just next to it, and she just sits in the on the computer table and she starts studying. And then at that time mechanical teacher who was inside the computer screen, he came and started to teach her mathematics, fractions and all. And before starting, that mechanical teacher asked her to insert the previous homework which was given to her. And at that time Margie also inserted it. There was a slot inside computer where, as you can see, we are inserting pen drive inside the computer. At that time in future there were such slots in which such type of homework were being inserted. So mechanical computer asked this maths homework and Margie inserts her homework inside that slot. And as soon as the homework were inserted, within no time this mechanical computer checks her homework and starts with the chapter of fraction in maths. And now mechanical computer is going on, mechanical teacher is going on teaching. Margie is sitting in front of computer screen, and now she is thinking about the past, that how much fun they used to have when they used to go to a school. All the children used to collect together and they would go to a school, teacher would come, they would have enjoyed. So these all things Margie was going on thinking. And now she realized that the past time were only very nice because gathering was done, a social type of friendship or bonding were there. But now at this time we are sitting in a single room, we are studying, no gathering is done. So that is what makes Margie a bit upset and very much happy about the pastime that the children used to go to school. So friends, this is the summary of this chapter, and the summary of this chapter is very nice, and the story is also very nice because it tells about the future and the thinking of these two children, Margie and Tommy, who are just coming to know that the schools which were in the past were very nice, and it was totally social as well as it was totally fun. That's why Isaac Asimov, who is the narrator of this chapter, has given this title The Fun They Had, because this fun is being symbolizing to the past school where children used to go. And also one thing more, the name of Margie and Tommy's mother is Mrs. Jones. This is what was missing at the time of storytelling. Now, where the important things are, the important things come under this county inspector, that within how much time he ment Margie's computer, that is important, and also the date in which they are living, Margie and Tommy, the date, year in which they are present. Also this What did mechanical teacher means? Why Margie always used to fail in geography? That is also very important because it was geared up. That's why mechanical teacher was going on giving test after test. That's why Margie was not doing in the better form. So these all things are very important in this chapter. Now let's see some of the questions that are important.
So my dear students, these are some questions which you have to do, and these questions you have to do in your English copy. But before doing it, you have to write the chapter name, narrator name, and its word meaning, and after then only you have to do this question answer. At least 5 to 10 word meanings you have to do. You have to search some difficult words from the chapter, and then you have to find its meaning from dictionary, and then you have to do it. Now coming on to the question answer, after doing this word meaning, you have to write these question answer. There are total 8 questions which you have to do in about 30 words. As you can see in the question, it is written that in about 30 words you have to answer it. Now coming on to the first question, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? You have to tell me that what kind of teachers they used to have in this 2157 year. In that era, what type of teacher they had. As I have already taught you in this chapter, you can see in my video that what type of teacher they were having. So you have to reply in 30 words. Question number second, why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? Why did Margie's mother call county inspector? There was some problem, that's why she called county inspector. What problem there were? You have to reply that. Question number third, what did he do? After this county inspector comes to Margie's home, what did he do after coming? What all things, what he gave to Margie, within how much time he mended, and these all details you have to write within 30 words. Question number 4, why was Margie doing bad in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? This question is in 2 parts, and you have to also reply in 2 parts as well. Now in the first part it is asking that why was Margie doing bad in geography? What was the reason why she was going on doing bad in geography? This answer also I have described you while I was teaching, so you have to answer it, why she was going on getting bad marks, and also what did county inspector do to help her? How did county inspector mend that mechanical teacher, in within how much time he mended, and at up to what level he just fixed that mechanical teacher? You have to reply this, as I have also taught you these all things in the video. Coming on to question number 5, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? In the video I have told that once Tommy was studying history, there was some technical problem in his mechanical teacher as well, and when the county inspector was called, for how much time, for how much duration he took that mechanical teacher, what was the problem being told to that county inspector, and how much time duration he took to mend that computer. So these all things you have to tell, that what happened to Tommy's teacher. Coming to question number 6, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? At what time his class started? Was it equal to the era in which the students used to go in school? Was it same or it was different? You have to reply in this question number 6. Question number 7, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? While Tommy and Margie were reading that book which they found out that was totally yellow because it was a grandfather's grandfather, it was totally wrinkled and yellow pages were there. So after reading that, what difference did they found out about old kind of a school? What were the things they just noticed about the old schools? You have to reply that within 30 words. Now coming to question number 8, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? Margie and Tommy, when they were reading this book, they just come to know that there was a building named as a school where children used to go and teachers used to come. So what kind of teachers, how does he describe the old kind of teacher? Means Margie and Tommy, what were they thinking for the old kind of teacher who used to go to school to teach the children? That you have to reply. So you have to also write the difference at what these teachers were in that old era and how the teachers were in that present era 2157, that you have to reply. So these 8 questions you have to do in your copy, and it will be as a homework to you. And also you can just see the online book, as I have provided the description in the link below, and you can click to it and you will be directly getting to the chapter, to the book. And after reading the book, after reading this chapter, then only attempt this question answers. And if you find any of the problem, if you come across to any of the problems, do reply on my YouTube comment. I'll definitely reply to it. And also, before seeing this video, I must request you to see my ignition class video, in which it will be totally clear that what all subjects, what all books, and what all topics you will be studying this year. Also, as I have told you, one more chapter, The Lost Child, I have taught from this Another Moments book. You have to just see that chapter as well. You have to see that video as well. Now again, the last, I would request you to please stay at your home, stay safe. If there is any problem in this chapter, please do comment. So stay safe. All the best.